Brad Furlong with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota here. Today we're taking a look at a fresh trade-in. This is a 2017 Sea Ray 270 SD. Beautiful boat. It's got white exterior with horizon and black accenting. As we walk down the boat here, great color combination. Let's check out the interior of this boat. Alright, as we move into the interior of the boat, we've got this beautiful sun pad on the back of the boat, great for hanging out. It actually inclines in the center, which makes it more comfortable for sitting on the back of the boat. We've got the mist interior, which is actually more of a white with the gray accenting. As we kind of move into the inside of the boat here, we've got blue interior lighting, which really gives it a lot of, that added fun factor when you're out on the water in the evenings. This is also paired up with, it's got the premium stereo system, the digital dash, 6.2 liter, 350 horsepower engine, powered back to the drive. We've got the Bravo 3 drive on this boat. Sport tower with full-size bimini. This is a great setup to be able to get the whole family out on and go have some fun. Come on into MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota and check it out. Thank you.